guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. And also guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे. So guys, the first product which I'm going to show is the Oats and Honey soap. So this is the outer packaging of the soap, and this is a really nice soap. I really liked it, and it retails for 240 rupees. It's a Oats and Honey soap which prevents tanning and minimizes pores. And because I have some pores here around my nose, and it really works great. And it is for dry to combination skin. Its key ingredients are honey and oatmeal, glycerine. It's a herbal soap which this product can be used on your face and your body. So it gently exfoliates the dead skin cells and cleanses the skin, helps minimize the pores on your skin, and act as a perfect antioxidant and always keeps your skin hydrated. I really like this product. It moisturizes my face. I only use it on my face, and मैं इस product को 3 महीने से use कर रही हूँ. So I can show you this product. So this is how its inner packaging, TNW, the natural wash. Let me show you from inside. So it looks very beautiful. I really like it. So this is how it looks. So this side is the honey side, and which is having some oats here, oats particles, and this is, it has to be stored in a cool and dry place, and also it works very nicely on my face, and it makes my face look more soft and bright, and also it controls the pores. Another product is this, the TNW rose water. This is the bottle, and this rose water is really nice. Smell is so nice, and it works as facial toner, mist, and also makeup remover. Its key ingredients are rose and steam distilled water. So this is a natural wash steam distilled water. It is the purest form of rose water. It helps maintain the pH balance of the skin, tones it up while controlling excessive oil. And it is for all skin types, from dry, combination or oily skin. All the skin types can use this product. And so this is 200 ml and for 450 rupees. Amazon से purchase कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप इसको Flipkart, Purple.com और Nykaa और from their own website. So the next product is this TNW almond oil. So I have used this much. So it's an organic virgin cold pressed oil. It's 100% natural and organic product. So this is 100 ml product which retails for 560 rupees. And लेकिन आपको ये Amazon पे ऑफर में मिल जाएगा. Also इसमें बैक साइड में मेंशन है कि इसे आप अपने हेयर, फेस और बॉडी में यूज कर सकते हैं. And also it has to be kept in a cool and dry place. It is mentioned here that it does not have any artificial fragrance, artificial preservative or colorant. So this product works really great when you use it before sleeping at night. So, and I use it by taking just 2 to 3 drops of oil and gently massage it all over my face. After that, this is the another product which I'm going to talk about. It's Oat Cleanse, TNW Oat Cleanse. It's a body polishing scrub, and which is 100% natural, organic and Ayurvedic. So it's a soft polishing scrub which can be used all over your body or face. This is 120 grams for 380 rupees. It's a mild cleansing scrub which soothes sunburn, tanning while helping to close all open pores of the body. So it creates a protective shield around your body by scrubbing out all the impurities and dead skin cells. It is mentioned here how you have to use this product. So it is written to apply the scrub, mix it with the TNW rose water and gently massage all over your body or face in a circular motion, and then rinse it off. I can show you how it looks from inside, and so this is how it looks. So this much I have used, you can see, and I also have the another full. Also don't rub it on your acne. जिनके बहुत ज़्यादा acne pimple हो तो उस पर इसे rub ना करें. And I use it twice in 15 days, or whenever I need it, I just use it. And I mix this oat cleanse with the rose water, and I just apply it all over my face. I use it only on my face, and it makes my face look more bright, soft and smooth. The next product which I'm going to talk about is the TNW Skin Fix Detan and Depigmentation Pack. So yeah guys, this is also 120 grams which retails for 335 rupees, and also this product is really great. It's a Detan and Depigmentation Pack. Okay, so it is also organic and Ayurvedic, which is for all skin types. Detan and Depigmentation Pack, it gives a healthy glowing skin, and after scrubbing I apply it So this is a natural pack and easily get rid of the problems like tanning or pigmentation or any other skin damages. It works great. सो गाइज इसको मैं अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करती हूँ। मैं इसका 1 स्पून लेती हूँ और 2 स्पून लेती हूँ रोज वाटर एंड उन दोनों को मिक्स करके मैं इसे रेफ्रिजरेटर में रख देती हूँ फॉर 1 आवर सो दैट इट बिकम्स स्किन फ्रेंडली। एंड आफ्टर दैट आई अप्लाई इट। जब वो ड्राई हो जाता है तो उसके बाद आई रिंस इट ऑफ and after that I apply this almond oil so that it removes all the other impurities from my face. So the next product which I'm going to show you is the lip lightening scrub from T&W. And I really like the packaging, how this container is so beautiful. I like it. Yes, I really like this beautiful small container of this scrub. So let's talk about this scrub. I got this scrub from Amazon जो कि मुझे कुछ डिस्काउंट में मिल गया था एंड इसका प्राइस मैं स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दूंगी एंड ऑल्सो ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक इट आउट. So this is the lip lightening scrub from the T&W. It is all 100% natural for tanned and darkened lips. So it is for tanned and darkened lips, but also you can apply it as it's a scrub. It will exfoliate very nicely and makes my lips look more soft and bright. So this is a 25 grams of product. So I can show you how it looks from inside. So this is the product which I have used and मैंने इसे थोड़ा ही यूज किया है लेकिन really guys this is awesome. This is best scrub which I have used on my lips. It really works great. और इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, बस इसको आपको लेना है थोड़ा सा अपने nails से and you have to scrub it on your lips. Just gently massage it for 2 minutes and then leave it for a few minutes and then rinse it off, or you can remove it from the cotton pad. And after that what I use, I have to show you, which is the another product from T&W, and that is this herbal lip balm. And also it's a cute little container. It is made up of beetroot. Really nice product and ये best lip balm है जो मैंने अभी तक यूज किया है, जो कि 100% natural है, paraben free है and organic है. So after scrubbing my lips from this lip lightening scrub, I use this and apply it and gently massage it on my lips and then just leave it. And whenever you need it, like whole day, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको इसको रात में ही apply करना है. So like lip lightening scrub भी आप इसको कभी भी apply कर सकते हो दिन में, जब भी आपको लगे कि आपके lips बहुत ही dry या chapped lips हैं तो आप उस पर apply कर सकते हैं. ये बहुत अच्छे से आपके lips को exfoliate करता है और जितनी भी like वो chapped lips होते हैं तो dryness होती है वो remove हो जाती है. और उसके बाद फिर जब ये apply करते हैं, it is just wow product. It is really great product. जब मैं इसे रात में अप्लाई करती हूँ ये मॉर्निंग तक मेरे लिप्स को नरिश्ड एंड मॉइस्चराइज्ड रखता है. आप इन 2 प्रोडक्ट्स पे रियली इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो एंड आपको ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स अमेजोन पे मिल जाएंगे जो कि डिस्काउंट में मिल जाएंगे आपको. सो चेक इट आउट. दिस लिप बाम इज फॉर 260 रुपीज एंड जो कि 5 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट है. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. ये डार्क कलर का दिखता है बट व्हेन यू अप्लाई इट ऑन योर लिप्स इट डज नॉट लुक डार्कर. इट्स अ बेस्ट लिप बाम व्हिच आई हैव एवर यूज्ड. So after that, the next product which I am using, like it's an awesome product and it is my favorite T&W vitamin C serum. ये T&W products की पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी लगती है, उनका कंटेनर, उनकी बॉटल्स, I really like it. So it's a T&W the natural wash vitamin C face serum and with mulberry, carrot, tomato extract and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is really great for our skin and I really like this product and currently I am using this product and जैसे ये खत्म होगा I am just going to order it again. And so let me tell you, this is 30 ml product which is for 620 rupees. लेकिन ये मुझे 480 rupees में मिल गया था. So इसमें पैराबेन नहीं है जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है. Direction for use इसमें लिखा हुआ है. So take a few drops of serum on fingertips, apply dot of serum on face and neck and then gently massage it in an upward direction until completely absorbed in skin. And it is best product. It's the best face serum which I have ever used. Like it has this and I really like this product guys and T&W के products really बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. I just really love them all. They are the best product. I showed you 8 products of T&W and I really love all of them and one is left which I'm going to show you. So this is this. So yeah guys, this is a neem wooden comb from this which retails for 295 rupees and this product is really nice. It reduces hair fall and dandruff because it has something neem extract in it and which is really great for our scalp. It improves blood circulation and also makes our hair smooth and frizz-free, which is really great thing. I really like this product. So this comb is also very nice from the T&W. So guys, that's all for today and I have showed you all the T&W products which I have. So these are the products which I use and then I'm only telling you कि ये products बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. That this video is not a sponsored video. Whatever I have purchased all the products एंड TNW इज रियली ग्रेट। एंड ऑल्सो गाइज इसमें हर प्रोडक्ट्स में डिस्क्लेमर दिया हुआ है, जैसे कि इसमें सोप में भी लिखा है कि इवन नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स कैन कॉज एलर्जी टू सम पीपल, सो टेस्ट इट बाय अप्लाइंग द प्रोडक्ट और इनर एल्बो फॉर 10 मिनट्स, डिसकंटिन्यू इफ एनी इरिटेशन अकर्स। सो गाइज कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज करने से पहले उसका टेस्ट जरूर कर लीजिएगा। एंड लेकिन ये मुझे प्रोडक्ट सारे ही पसंद हैं और इनके कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स अप्लाई करने में मेरे फेस पे कोई भी इरिटेशन नहीं होती है। एंड आई रियली लाइक द TNW प्रोडक्ट। सो गाइज थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड आई होप ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही होगी। एंड प्लीज शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली एंड यू कैन शेयर इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप, टेलीग्राम, इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप, जहां कहीं भी आपको शेयर करना है प्लीज शेयर इट। आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो, गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग थम्स अप एंड गाइज सब्सक्राइब करे बिना चैनल को मत जाइएगा। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन so that whenever I post a video you will be notified. So meet you soon guys here, and also guys if you want to see my previous videos you can tap the I button above. Till then take care, bye guys.